Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to solve the practice problem printing pattern. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given asterisks, okay? Asterisks are the stars, okay? And we would be given a value, for example n is 3, okay? So this means I need to stop when 3 asterisks are printed. That means in the first part only 1 is printed, because we are keep on increasing it, okay? Then in the second one 2 are printed, and in the third one 3 would be printed. Once these 3 asterisks are printed, I need to stop, okay? So the logic is, according to the n value, I need to keep on increasing the value of asterisks by 1, and once I reach the value that is equal to n, then I need to stop printing the asterisks. That means at that point I need to stop the printing of the pattern, okay? So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it, okay? So what you need to do is, you need to go to the practice portal, okay? In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school, okay? After that you need to find the question pattern printing, okay? Once you find the question, you need to click on solve, okay? So let's solve the question. Okay, here is the question. Given a number n, the task is to print a series of asterisks from 1 to n terms with increasing order and difference being 1. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you, and we would be coding it over here. So let's start. Okay, so let's start. I would be solving this question using for loop. I in range, okay, and my range is equal to n, right? So n plus 1, because I need to go till n, right? So that is why plus 1. Then I need to print something, okay? What do I need to print? I need to print asterisks, stars, okay? And they are printed according to the value of I, right? And after every pattern is printed, like 1 is printed or then 2 would be printed, I need to add some space in the end, okay? So this is the code for this, but I need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. And now to finally check if it is correct or not, I would click on submit. Okay. So let's wait. The problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the the practice problem pattern printing. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.